Oh God, so many. The first one obviously is you do your keyword research very well. Set up your negative keywords so you don't lose your budget or waste your budget. Keywords are extremely important. I never use broad match keywords unless it is for a big brand and they just want impressions and eyeballs and clicks on their brand. So use exact match, phrase, and broad modified, along with obviously the negative keywords. The ads are also extremely important. Again, it depends on which network you're going for, because there will be different tips for different campaign types. Search campaign will be different to your display campaign, will be different to your video campaign, because the metrics are different. So ads, have multiple ads in each ad group, and make sure that the seed keyword is at least in one of the headings. I try to keep that keyword in headline 1. So as soon as somebody sees your ad, it is relevant to that person because they see that keyword in the headline. And always have your benefits, your features, a strong call to action in your ad, as well as the price point. A lot of people shy away from not putting the price in because they don't want to, for some reason, a lot of people think that it cheapens the ad and the brand. But if somebody cannot afford you, then you are pre-qualifying that click. You are not wasting that budget, because if you are selling a product for $100 and that person cannot afford $100, then there's no point in getting that person to click on your ad. So if it says on here on the ad, prices start from $100, and I see it and I said, well, it's too expensive for me, I'm not going to bother clicking on it. So I don't waste my click. I would perhaps get that click from somebody who said, yeah, 100 seems to be reasonable, I can afford that, I'm going to go and have a look at it on their landing page. So on the ads, always have the pricing as well, because you will qualify your audience or that click.